Hey, y'all, come look at this.
All I do is win. Got money on my. And every summer. Everybody.
Savage.
What up, guys? Welcome back to GTA Physides. There's this new glitch going around. It's the no Ragdoll glitch. You can fly on top of airplanes. You can stand on cars without falling off. You can get hit by a car and not die from it. I have been doing my research. I've been seeing a few comments on other videos that I've watched saying that they don't see the blue circle. All right, so now if you don't have the submarine, you will not see this right here. All right, so the thing is, you want to have like an up and atomizer. If you don't have it, it's in the gun store. Anyways, you want to shoot at an angle to where you fly up and hit this circle. You'll hit right in the D-pad, and I'm gonna just show you guys. Yeah, so like that, hit right in the D-pad, just spam it. Let's see if that works. Oh! That was part of the glitch right there. Oh yeah, and also this too. So like, if you guys have the Mark 1 oppressor, if you crash into anything, because you know how easily it is to fall off that damn bike. Me personally, I don't like that bike. But if you hit something or just hit a car or building or whatever, you won't fall off your bike.
No, he breaking people. He go up to people in stores and yell at their hands up for fucking little fights.
So anyways, let's do this. This shouldn't kill us. We'll do the leap of faith. Yabba dabba doo! Dink! Oh! Look at that, see? No fall damage. And skadoosh! Before the video continues, I just wanted to give a little shout out to the homie Brim. He does comment on every last one of my uploads that I put out so far, and I just want to say thank you for the love and support. And I don't know what you guys are doing, but this man's doing his part. Now let's try a C4. Skadoosh. Oh. Okay. So you can still kill yourself. All right. Stupid. It's in the thick of it. I believe I'm max height, so let's go ahead and jump out this thing. Here we go.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're gonna hit the ground. If he dies from this, then I'll be surprised. Here we go, go. Oh! Well, I'd be down. Wow.
Wait, he's not in there?
Oh shit, this is dope. I'm not falling off.
I see you barely even walking, like you're just glitching all over the place, but I can see you walking.
Danny's blades look big as hell. Oh my god.
That's nice, they fixed that. That's like one of the things. Oh, fucking hell.
I'm playing with my mailbox. Are you playing with my mailbox?
Yo, I wasn't playing with your mailbox, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Stop fighting my friend. Did I just knock your ass into the inventory?
Yes.
Yeah, we pay. I'ma turn it up a little more this time. Used to dream about getting out, got it on dry. I had a spot like a varsity.